Do you ever wish cleaning your home could just take care of itself? Well, meet the Eufy S1 HydroJet robot vacuum and mop combo, your all-in-one cleaning assistant designed to handle your floors with zero effort from you. Let's start with the basics. This smart little device delivers an impressive 8,000 PA of suction power, enough to pull dirt, dust, crumbs, and even stubborn pet hair out of carpets and off your hardwood or tile floors. And thanks to its dual brushes and corner-to-edge cleaning technology, it doesn't miss a single spot. But here's where the magic happens: the HydroJet mopping system. Most robot mops simply wipe the floor, but not this one. Its roller mop spins at 170 RPM, scrubbing away even the toughest stains, and it applies 2.2 pounds of downward pressure for extra cleaning power. Plus, it uses a dual water tank system that keeps clean and dirty water separate. That means it's always mopping with fresh water and detergent. And don't worry, it knows to avoid your carpets while it's mopping. Now let's talk convenience. The Eufy S1 has a 10-in-1 UniClean Station, and it's a total game changer. It doesn't just empty the dustbin, it also washes and dries the mop, refills the water tank, dispenses detergent, and charges faster than ever before. Oh, and it even dries the mop using heated air to prevent any funky smells. It's basically like having your own personal cleaning crew, all in one compact device. But the intelligence doesn't stop there. The Eufy S1 is equipped with AI.See obstacle avoidance, which means it can recognize and dodge over 100 different objects. Got kids' toys or pet bowls lying around? No problem. It glides around them with ease. And thanks to its advanced smart mapping system, it can remember up to 5 floor plans. It automatically separates rooms, lets you set custom schedules, and you can control it all from an app on your phone. Or, if you're feeling fancy, just tell it what to do using voice commands. Now I know what you're thinking. Does it look as good as it performs? Absolutely. The Eufy S1's sleek, modern design fits right into any home. It's compact, efficient, and surprisingly quiet, even with all that power. Still not convinced? Imagine never having to worry about cleaning again. Customers absolutely love this vacuum, especially pet owners and busy families. One user said, "I've tried other robot vacuums, but this one's on another level. It's reliable, powerful, and worth every penny." Always go for original products to avoid cheap copies. That's why I've shared the link in the description. It's the real deal, and you can trust it. So, why wait? Click the link below to get your Eufy S1 HydroJet robot vacuum and mop combo today. It's more than just a cleaning tool, it's a life upgrade.